day 2, day 3 strategy. This strategy can be called as a day 2 long strategy or day 2 short strategy. I talk about this strategy a lot of these setups every day in my YouTube's recaps. I even have a webinar in my community. I did a free webinar on this strategy as well. I stress on this strategy because the setups from this are very stress-free. Every day I create a list of the day 2, day 3 setups. Today, all the day 2, 3 setups from AVGO, Costco, RH, Adobe, UNH, each one of them provided us an opportunity because we could trade each one of them long or short using our Ripster EMA Cloud, our repeatable system, and our repeatable setups. Some day 2, day 3 setups are based upon earnings. They are the second day longs or second day shorts. I'm going to talk about AVGO, which was a huge winner for us today. Second day long, daily chart at highs, breaking all-time highs or 52-week highs, closes at highs on the first day. And next day you long the pullbacks, or the previous day break high of the day. That's the day 2 long. So AVGO, my support was 229, 225, my resistance was 234. And let's see what happens right at the open. It's gapping out from the day 1, day 2, and it's making a beautiful move after the earnings. And you see that it's breaking out of those pivots, 234 and 229. So it's bouncing from that support level and breaking the upside pivot. So that becomes a A+ long for us. A+ day 2, day 3 setup. This is not the first time we are trading this. We have done this setup 100 times before, and I can do this setups 100 times more. Now you can see as soon as I see it breaking out, I tell everyone in the community, day 2 long, then my first target was 244. We met our first target. My second target was 248. We did pull back after 10 a.m. That's fine. You take your profits there, but then we'd go to a 512 reclaim. You get back in, your stops under the lows, and then you trade it long again. And you see that after getting long again on AVGO on this 512 reclaim, it again broke out of that level and was pushed to 250. So basically it met all our targets. If you look at the weekly and daily charts, you will see that how AVGO is breaking out of the new all-time highs. So exactly how I teach in repeatable day 2, day 3 setup. This is very profitable setup you should focus on. AVGO specifically was based upon earnings. It was earnings setup, earnings day 2 setup. There were more setups there as well. UNH, RH, which were day 2 shorts. There was Costco. If you look at UNH, what UNH was doing, it's trading at multi-month lows. As soon as it breaks the yesterday's lows, it's a short as well, and it's also short under the clouds. We use the clouds. You can see the cloud rules, and it's a short here, and I gave everybody the target of 500. So whole community was short on it, and we really made like 200-300% gains on this day 2 setup, all because this is our repeatable setup. Similarly, it was Restoration Hardware. So Restoration Hardware RH, it gave us a hard time on Friday. It was not working out for us, but today it gave us short right away at that 441 area level, 442 and 445. Those were supports. It gave up, never got our resistance of 450. If it did, we would have longed it. It gave another nice short and nice profitable trade on the puts. You can see on the daily chart, it was also in the gap. So guys, these are the examples of day 2, day 3 setups. I have these plays every day. I show you live every day in my YouTube recaps as well. Even I try to share on my Twitter. So learn these setups and have some profitable trades.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.